would try and exercise. And also there are some creams that would add to the thermogenic effect of the temperature that's at your thighs. So while you're working out, you would apply this cream to kind of raise the thermogenic temperature or the temperature of your thighs, and it would create more of a burn. So it's not the only thing to do, but it would be one way to lose some thigh fat. And then in addition to that would be to exercise. Some of the exercises I would recommend is a squat and lunges, especially for the higher parts of the quads, a plie squat where the toes are pointed out, your feet are really far apart. And then in like a pulse position where you're just going down and up at the hardest part at the bottom would be the best way to build up your inner thigh muscle so that it moves in a little bit. And then again, with genetics, it is a fat deposit spot on women. So you can get rid of some of it. And then genetically, you're going to be left with some of it, just realistically speaking.